Hello students, let's see numerical 2 and 3 on mole fraction. Numerical 2, a solution is prepared by mixing 25 gram of water and 25 gram of ethanol. Determine the mole fraction of both the substances. Let us solve this. First thing, find out the molar mass. We know that the molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole, and that of C2H5 I have calculated by using the values which are given, and it comes to 46 gram per mole. Okay, so the things given are mass of water, which is equal to 25 gram, and mass of ethanol, which is equal to 25 gram. So number of moles of water, that is mass divided by the molar mass. Mass is given as 25 and molar mass of water is 18, which comes to 1.34 mole. Next one is number of moles of ethanol. Mass divided by the molar mass. Mass is 25 gram and molar mass is 46 gram per mole, which comes to 0.543 mole. The total number of moles, that is number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethanol, will be equal to 1.34 plus 0.543, which is giving us the answer 1.883 mole. Hence, we can calculate mole fraction of water, that is X of H2O, will be equal to number of moles of water divided by the total number of moles of the solution. So, number of moles of water is 1.34 upon total number of moles, that is 1.883, and here our answer is 0.71. So the mole fraction of water is 0.71. Similarly, we can calculate mole fraction of ethanol, number of moles of ethanol divided by the total number of moles of solution, which will be equal to 0.543 upon 1.883, which gives us the answer 0.29. Hence, the mole fraction of ethanol is equal to 0.29. Numerical 3, 0.100 mole of NaCl, which is our solute, is dissolved into 100 gram of pure water, which is our solvent. What is the mole fraction of NaCl? Let us write what is given to us directly. Mole of NaCl is given to us. So N of NaCl is given to us, that is equal to 0.100 mole. Now we have to find out mole of the number of moles of other component, that is water, which is equal to, what is the mass? Mass is 100, so it is mass divided by the molar mass. Mass is 100 divided by the molar mass of water is 18. So 100 divided by 18 gives us 5.56 mole of water. Okay, so we have number of moles of NaCl, we have number of moles of water. So we can find out mole fraction of NaCl. Only NaCl is asked, but is N of NaCl, number of moles of NaCl, upon total number of moles, that is NaCl, number of moles of NaCl, upon number of moles of water, which will be equal to 0.100 divided by 0.100 plus 5.56. which gives us the answer 0.018. So mole fraction of NaCl is 0.018. Thank you.